Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're counting down the best LED headlights of 2025 top picks for brightness, durability, and performance. Whether you're after style or safety, we've got the perfect lights for you. Stay tuned as we break down the pros, cons, and pricing for each model. Links to all the products are in the description, so let's get right into it. Number 5. The Termitor 9005 HB3 LED Bulbs are a powerful upgrade for anyone seeking superior visibility and safety while driving. With an ultra-bright output of 30,000 lumens and 800% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs, these LEDs light up the road with a crisp 6500K cool white beam, improving both reach and clarity. The 111 halogen size ensures an easy plug-and-play installation with no modifications required. Crafted with aviation-grade aluminum, a copper baseboard, and a high-speed cooling fan, these bulbs boast an impressive 60,000-hour lifespan, making them highly durable and low-maintenance. The ultra-slim 0.3-inch chip design delivers a focused beam without dark spots or glare, enhancing nighttime driving safety. Waterproof, lightweight, and CAN bus ready, they offer over 98% vehicle compatibility, though some sensitive models may need an additional decoder. Perfect for cars or trucks, these bulbs are highly praised by users for transforming night driving, especially in rural areas. If you want a reliable, high-performance LED solution at a competitive price, Termitor LED bulbs are a smart choice. Number 4. The OXILAM 9012HIR2 LED bulbs are a top-tier upgrade for drivers seeking ultra-bright, reliable lighting. Featuring 16 high-power chips per bulb, they deliver an impressive 40,000 lumens of output, offering 900% brighter visibility compared to standard halogen bulbs. The 360-degree uniform beam pattern and ultra-thin 0.03-inch copper plate ensure a focused, glare-free light that enhances nighttime safety without blinding oncoming drivers. Designed for convenience, these bulbs boast a true 1.1 halogen size and a wireless plug-and-play design that allows for quick 5-minute installation with no bulky components or external drivers. Built to last, the full aluminum body, copper heatsink, and 12,000 RPM silent turbo fan help the bulbs maintain optimal performance for up to 50,000 hours. OXILAM includes a built-in IC driver, ensuring 99% compatibility with most vehicles and eliminating flickering or dashboard errors. While rare models may require a CAN bus decoder, most installations are seamless. Users love the crisp, cool white light and remarkable brightness, making these bulbs a smart, high-performance lighting upgrade for any driver. Number 3. The Rimthin H11H9 fog light bulbs are an excellent and affordable upgrade for anyone looking to improve fog light performance and enhance their vehicle's appearance. Emitting a bright, cool white light, these bulbs offer wider visibility compared to stock yellow halogen bulbs, making night driving in foggy conditions much safer. Many users notice a significant improvement, with the new lights transforming the car's look and lighting performance. Designed for convenience, the mini-sized bulbs require no external drivers or wiring. Simply plug and play. Installation is fast and hassle-free, even for beginners, with included gloves and clear instructions. The lights turn on instantly with no delay, ensuring you're ready to drive the moment you hit the switch. Built with IP67 waterproofing, they're durable and reliable in all weather conditions. At 30 watts, they provide strong illumination without excessive power draw. Users praise their long-lasting performance, with some reporting over a year of consistent use. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly way to replace outdated fog lights, Rimthin's H11 cool white bulbs are a great choice. Number 2. The ZONBEAM H11 LED Bulbs 2025 upgrade are a powerful lighting solution for drivers looking to boost visibility and safety. Delivering an impressive 24,000 lumens per set and 800% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs, these lights produce a sharp 6000K cool white beam that clearly illuminates the road ahead, making night driving far more comfortable and secure. Thanks to the true 111 mini-size design, installation is effortless. No bulky bases or external wires. Just twist out your old halogen bulbs and twist in the ZONBEAM LEDs in under 5 minutes. The bulbs maintain the original halogen beam pattern, with 16 LED chips per bulb, creating a focused, uniform beam without dark spots or glare for oncoming drivers. Constructed with a full aviation aluminum body and a built-in copper heat tube, these bulbs are engineered for longevity, offering up to 60,000 hours of use even with daily driving. The built-in driver and upgraded CAN bus decoding system ensure 99.5% vehicle compatibility, though a decoder may be needed for sensitive systems. Overall, the ZONBEAM H11 bulbs deliver premium brightness, long-term durability, and hassle-free installation at a great value. Number 1. The FAHREN 9005-9006 bulbs combo offers a powerful and efficient upgrade for anyone seeking brighter, safer fog or off-road lights. With an impressive 60,000 lumens per set and a crisp 6500K white light, these bulbs deliver 900% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs, ensuring superior visibility in foggy or low-light conditions. The ultra-slim 0.03-inch design provides a focused beam, eliminating glare and dark spots for a safer, clearer view. Installation is a breeze thanks to the true 1.1 mini design, which matches the original halogen bulbs, precisely no adapters or complex modifications required. Simply plug them in and you're ready to go. The bulbs are built to last, featuring aviation aluminum construction, a large copper baseboard, and a high-speed cooling fan, providing 60,000 plus hours of reliable use. Users appreciate the solid performance and ease of installation, with many noting the lack of error messages or issues once installed. Whether you're enhancing your fog lights or improving off-road visibility, the FAHREN 9005-9006 bulbs provide exceptional brightness and durability, making them a great choice for upgrading your vehicle's lighting. That wraps up our list of the best LED headlights of 2025. We hope you found the perfect fit for your vehicle. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to grab your new headlights. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car lighting tips and reviews.